Ever wondered how to flip cars for profit? Well, you're in the right place. Car flipping is a lucrative art, a perfect blend of mechanical knowledge, negotiation skills, and a keen eye for detail. A critical step in this process is the inspection of the car itself. Understanding what's beneath the hood and the paint can make the difference between a profitable flip and a costly mistake. So buckle up and stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of inspecting a car like a pro. The first step towards a profitable flip is a thorough mechanical inspection. This is where you check the car's heart. Now, imagine the engine as the heart of the car, pumping life through its veins. A quick visual inspection can reveal any leaks, cracks, or abnormal noises. Listen to the engine's rhythm. It should be smooth and consistent. If it skips a beat, there might be an underlying issue. Next, let's talk about the car's transmission. This is the spine of the car, transmitting power from the engine to the wheels. A test drive can reveal a lot. If you notice any jerkiness or strange noises, it may signal a problem. Brakes are the car's lifeline. Check for any squeaking or grinding noises. The brake pedal should feel firm and responsive. The tires are the feet of the car. They should have even wear and good tread depth. A tread gauge can be handy here. But how do you check under the hood? A diagnostic tool like an OBD2 scanner can be your best friend. It can read error codes and monitor real-time data to help you understand the car's overall health. Finally, don't forget to check the car's suspension, air conditioning, and electrical systems. These are like the car's senses. They should respond well and provide comfort and safety. Remember, a mechanically sound car is the foundation of a good flip. Now, let's move to the next crucial step: inspecting the body. Next up is the body inspection, which can reveal a car's hidden stories. The exterior of the car isn't just about aesthetics, it's a testament to a vehicle's history and its future longevity. So, how do we decode these stories? Start by visually inspecting the car for any obvious signs of damage. Look out for dents, scratches, or mismatched colors that could suggest past accidents or repairs. But don't just trust your eyes. Your hands can be equally discerning. Run your fingers along the body of the car, feeling for any uneven surfaces or ripples. These could indicate the use of body filler, a common solution to mask dents or rust. Speaking of rust, this is one red flag you don't want to ignore. Rust can be a sign of long-term neglect, leading to costly repairs down the line. A clean, damage-free body is not just appealing, it also boosts the car's resale value. Now let's tackle the final piece of the puzzle: negotiation. You've inspected the car, now it's time to negotiate a price that leaves room for a solid profit. Negotiation is an art form. It's a delicate dance that requires a balance of assertiveness and patience. The first strategy is to show your knowledge. Casually mention the car's condition and the repairs it may need. This demonstrates your understanding of the car's value and subtly indicates that you aren't prepared to overpay. Secondly, be ready to walk away. Remember, there are plenty of cars out there. Don't let your emotions get in the way of a good deal. If the seller is unwilling to negotiate, it's time to move on. Lastly, keep your excitement in check. The more eager you seem, the less likely the seller will budge on the price. Play it cool and remember, your goal is to buy low and sell high. With the right negotiation skills, you can turn that inspected car into a profitable flip. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of inspecting and flipping a car for profit. We've explored the heart of a car during the mechanical inspection, delved into the beauty beneath the paint in the body inspection, and finally, we've mastered the art of negotiation. These skills are your tools for a profitable flip. But remember, the most important thing is practice. It's time to roll up your sleeves, dive in head first, and hone these skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there, start inspecting, and happy flipping.